Hi, boys and girls. Today our story is called Trees, Trees, Trees. This story is by Nancy Noel Williams. We've been learning a lot about trees, haven't we? Look at this tree. Did you know it began as a seed inside an acorn? The seed grew into a seedling, and the seedling became a sapling. After many years, the tree was bigger than a house. What else can we learn about trees? Let's find out. So here it was an acorn, and then it was a seedling, then it was a sapling, and now it's bigger than a house. That's an oak tree. First, did you know that trees have three main parts? The crown, the trunk, and the roots. The crown is made up of the leaves, branches, and twigs. Sunshine helps the leaves change water and carbon dioxide into food for the trees. The woody stem of the tree is called the trunk. Inside, water travels up through the wood into the leaves. Small roots take in water and minerals from the soil. The bigger, stronger roots prevent the soil from drifting away when the hard winds come. I think this picture is very interesting because if you look at the crown and you look at the roots, it's almost a mirror image of each other if the leaves weren't on the trees. Where do trees grow? Trees go anywhere there is soil, water, and sunlight. They grow in parks, on patios, and next to sidewalks. They grow in wet and swampy places, in the mountains, and even in the desert. A large group of trees growing together is called a grove. An even larger group is called a forest. Forests are home to thousands of different kinds of animals. What kind of trees stay green all year? Do you remember what they're called? Evergreen trees stay green all year. Palm trees have hard, broad leaves, or leaves like fans. You'll find them in warm, rainy climates. Spruce and pine trees have sharp green needles. They can live in both cold and warm places. What kind of trees lose their leaves? It's a big word. Deciduous. Deciduous trees shed their leaves each year. The leaves turn red, orange, or yellow before they fall off in autumn. Maples, elms, and oaks are deciduous. They make all those pretty colors that we love to see. What food grows on trees? Can you tell what that kind of food is? It's an orange, yes. When you want a sweet snack, you can pick an apple, a cherry, or a peach from a tree. When you want a sour snack, choose grapefruits or lemons. Crunchy walnuts and pecans are delicious too. What animals live in trees? Birds of all shapes and sizes build nests in the branches or trunks of trees. Squirrels dart in and out of knot holes. A mother raccoon keeps her babies safe in a den. If you are lucky, you might even see a frog hiding in the tree. What is the biggest kind of tree in the world? giant sequoias. They are the largest trees in the world. They're the widest and nearly the tallest. Coast redwoods are taller. You may see them growing in the Sierra Nevada mountains in California. The General Sherman tree is the biggest tree on earth. It is 275 feet tall and more than 2,000 years old. I would love to see that tree. What do you call this tiny tree? It's called a bonsai tree. Bonsai trees are tiny trees. Bonsai is a Japanese word that means a tree planted in a pot. Gardeners prune them to look just like full-size trees. How do we enjoy trees? During the summer, we can picnic in the shade beneath a tree. We can build a tree house and pretend it's a pirate ship. We can swing on a rope from a high branch. On a cold winter day, we can build a snow fort. We can collect pine cones and make an art project or hang a bird feeder from a branch. How can we learn the age of trees? Trees grow a new layer of wood every year. If there's a lot of sunshine and rainfall that year, the layer is wide. If it is a bad year, the layer is thin. When a tree falls, the layers look like rings. You can count the rings to see how old the tree is. We need to take good care of our trees. Without trees, the air wouldn't smell as sweet. We wouldn't have the delicious snacks they provide or the happiness we get from them all year. Trees give us so much. So when you have a chance, say thank you and plant a new tree. The end.